Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need white, black, pink, and yellow pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a long piece of string that measures about 38 inches. And you're going to start with putting on white on each side of the string. Let those fall. A white that goes through both. White on both sides. A white that goes through both. White on each side. White that goes through both. So we're going to have a total of 11 rows of white. We're going to hold the string and pull. Well, there we go. Pull that tight and then tie it. Cut that off. We're going to put our needle on. So we have 11 rows. That's what it looks like. We're going to put our needle through. This row will be white. We're going to flip. Okay, we flip this over. Now we're going to go through this white. We're going to add a pink. And then the rest of the row will be white. Okay, we're going to go down these two white. Up this white and down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add white. Another white. We're going to, oops. We're going to add a pink. And another pink. Flip it over. We're going to add a pink. And another pink. We're going to go through both of these beads here. Add a white. And another white. We're going to go down these two white. We're going to go up these two white. And down this white. We're going to add a white. Okay. We're going to go down all three of these. We're going to add a white. And we're going to go down all these beads. And then we're going to go up these two. We're going to add a white. We're going to add another white. We're going to go through this pink. We're going to add a pink. And go through this pink here. And then we're going to take our needle and go across here. My needle came off. Okay, we're going to flip this over. We're going to add a white. We're going to add a black. We're going to add a white. We're going to add a white, a black. We're going to add a white. We're going to go down these two. We're going to go up these two and then down this one. We're going to add a white, another white, yellow, white, another white, okay, we're going to go down these two white, up this one and down this one. Flip it over. This row will be white. Flip it over. Add a white. This row will be white. We're going to go through this white and this black. Up these two white and then down this one. Okay, this row will be white. Oops. Okay, we're going to go down this white and this black. Up this white and then down this one. This row will be white. And this time we're going to go through these two white up here. And you can tie this off. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.